Alrighty, so today's gonna be a fun one. I was down to the bottom of my dollars. I had just enough to trade one contract. I was able to scalp $19 in this crap. And then I ended up getting short around here and ended up making like 50 bucks. So that was sweet. It came right to the line I drew. I thought we were like back over here. I thought we were gonna get maybe over here. I thought we were gonna come down to here and then one more time down to here. Unfortunately, we did not get that. And so it did come to the top of that guy though. So in the aftermarkets, it did touch the, if I would have drawn the most conservative second line, it did touch that in the first couple minutes of the after hours. But the point is this. Right now, we are looking at a 15-minute chart. I want to show you what it looks like on a 5-minute chart for now. So look at this explosion we have. Explosion, just keeps trending up, and then a flat line, and then one last explosion. And this type of volatility that came in the patterns it did, we haven't seen in a long time. If you draw this guy, it bounced off the top of this guy right here. You draw this guy, bounced off the top of this trend right here. You draw this guy, bounced off the top of this little guy right here. And then this guy is the top of this guy, obviously. But if you zoom into this candle right here, you can actually see it does touch up there. So there's a small little resistance there. But basically I drew to the bottom of this resistance to be the most conservative that I could be. And then it just ended up hitting there in the last 5 seconds of market. So I couldn't hold it any longer anyways. So I just took my profit. But the exciting part is not so much that I won a little money and now I got a little comfort to trade tomorrow. The exciting part is that we are back in volatility mode. And I've been predicting for 2 or 3 days now this is going to happen. And I've looked like a fool because it's just been skyrocketing up. But with the whole GameStop, AMC, Mullen, like Mullen squirrels a little bit, like the fact that Mullen's not leading the way, you know that it's a fake squeeze. You know that they're just trying to get people into the market, new buyers, all this other bull crap. And now is not the time to be a buyer. Now is the time to be a seller. So I hope you guys are all ready to make some money because when the volatility is back, that's my fucking game. Like, I know too much already. Is there anything else you need to know? I don't know. You need to get a futures account, TradeStation, Ninja Trader, I don't care. Get a futures account and then once you have one, you need to follow along, learn what I'm doing. Because here's the deal. Like just like poker, there's 1,000 different plays all day long, and you're just waiting for right setups. And so if you're the kind of guy that can go play poker and wait for pocket aces, wait for pocket kings, wait for pocket queens, wait for ace king suited, like if that's you, then like just wait for the pocket ace setup. You know what I'm saying? Like there are certain setups that I'll show you that are just guaranteed and they never lose. And if you find the right pattern that's happening, because there's a lot of small patterns that like you might trick yourself into thinking's the day of the pattern, but there's a lot of patterns that are just bulletproof. And when the long trend pattern matches with the short trend pattern, like these head and shoulders did right here and right here, um, like these shorts were just super obvious. I definitely should have got into this one, but I was so worried about my $19, like can't lose it. I just wanted to see what the market was doing, but it was clear and obvious what the market was doing. This green candle freaking scared the crap out of me, but I held and I got all the way back down here in the last minute of the market and it was glorious. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.